What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, I'm MetalBarbie. Welcome. I got requested to do this video from someone on Snapchat. They wanted to see what I do to keep my hair super healthy, and I really don't do much than any type of broken bitch that's out there. Nothing special, nothing expensive, but you want to know my tips and tricks? Then just keep watching. Things first, VO5. Oh my god, grandma shampoo. But I say yes, childhood. Strawberries and cream exact. People might say, oh my god, it's gonna strip your hair. At least I still have my hair on my head. Bad joke. But all in all, any shampoo that you ever use, no matter if it's really cheap like VO5 or expensive shampoo, your color is gonna strip. Even when they say it's color safe. But how really is it color safe? You're still stripping the color, so no matter what. And it's better to strip out a lot of color, because by the time you get to re-dye your hair, you won't have so much built up hair. And that's how I get that nice subtle look. There's not much color buildup, so that actually adds to your hair looking healthy. The more buildup of color, the more unhealthy it looks. So it's good to strip out the color. Don't let anyone tell you different. Next, moisturizing conditioner. I use the Tresemme Repair 7. Any moisturizing conditioner is good. What it will do is moisturize your ends, and that's what you need to keep your hair nice and healthy and fresh with no split ends. You want those cuticles closed and moisturized. That's the key to healthy hair. Smooth cuticles. The next one is BioSilk. BioSilk, I've been using this for years. I've been using this since I've been going to high school, and it's just a hair serum. I got this at TJ Maxx. You get this anywhere. It's the big bottle. I recommend going to TJ Maxx because it's cheaper. And what I do is when I come out of the shower, I put a dollop on my hand, put it through my hair, brush it through, and I braid my hair. Braiding your hair at night before you go to bed, when you go to sleep, braiding your hair no matter wet or dry. But use this serum every time. But use the serum before you braid your hair. It does wonders. When you wake up in the morning, your hair feels so silky soft and tamed. Get you some BioSilk. A braid is a must. No matter if your hair is wet or dry, you need to braid your hair. That helps keep it from breaking, keeps it from damaging, keeps it from getting into a mat while you're sleeping, because me, I'm a rough sleeper. So putting your hair to braid helps your hair to stay healthy. So braid your hair every night before you go to bed. Need a tutorial of my bedroom braid? Let me know down below, and also like up this video. Blow drying. Blow drying is great. It cures your cuticles, it smooths your hair, it tames the beast. So we got the structure ready. We got the structure that's going to keep it healthy from the inside out. But from the outside in, to make it more sleek, blow dry it. Also, one last thing, trims. I do my trims. I trim my hair every 6 months on the day. Trimming your hair keeps it from breaking, makes it look healthy, makes it look shiny. Trims every 6 months. If you want a tutorial on how I trim my hair, let me know down below, and also like up this video. And that's how I got my hair to grow really long in a few months. So trimming your hair every 6 months to the day is key, trust me. But that is it, guys. That's the end of how I keep my hair looking healthy, what products I use. It's broke bitch status. I don't use expensive stuff. I love expensive stuff, but my pocket doesn't agree with that. It works the same way. It's the same thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, like up my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And once again, I'm MetalBarbie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.